Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I'm back. Just want to show you guys I received my leads, which I showed you the other day, from Matrix Pro Leads. They came in this little envelope, and I'm actually going to put them on my postcards for TextBot. Okay, I'm covering them up because I don't want to reveal anyone's address, but you can see there's the leads under those postcards. Okay, so these are buyer leads. I'll put the link below. Go to www.buyerleads.info. Get you some buyer leads. These aren't seekers, these are buyers. So we're going to mail all the leads that they mailed me. Okay, they mailed me 100 leads. I'm going to use all of them on the TextBot postcard. So get started with TextBot. You earn $100 per sale instantly. It's only $150 to get started, guys. Mail my custom postcard. I made this postcard up myself. You'll be able to put your picture on there if you want to do that. And it has income proof on my postcard. So join me today in TextBot, only $150. Get these postcards. You get them at a good rate. Mail them out to these leads. Go to www.buyerleads.info. Get you some leads. Sign up with me in TextBot. Call that number 845-253-6408. Or go to mobilemoney.ws and join TextBot. Get started mailing. Okay, mailing does work if you're consistent. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Look forward to working with you guys. Have a blessed day and see you on the next video.